Hey guys, welcome to my weekend reset video where I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen. I'm going to be doing a very deep clean of my bathroom and cleaning out my daughter's room. These 3 rooms were much needed, so come clean with me today. Right now I'm going to open up some new cleaning products that I picked up off Amazon. I've got a Zep all-purpose cleaner and I got a Zep toilet bowl cleaner as well. Recently, I have been restocking on lots of cleaning supplies because I've been pretty much out of cleaning supplies. So the last few days, I've stocked up on Clorox bleach, Barkeeper's Friend, and a few other different things. If you guys have seen my videos, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of 2. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and home design. And if this is the type of content that you enjoy, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Take a look at some of the other videos and see what else is going to be coming out. So my kitchen sink needed a really good scrub down. I have all of my cleaning supplies sitting on a paper towel in my kitchen right now because this is what I'm going to be using mainly for the 3 rooms. But I'm going to go ahead and use some Barkeeper's Friend real quickly on that, or I just did. And now I'm going to go ahead and bleach the sink as well to get all of the grime. I'm going to clean the stove because the stove ended up getting grimy from me cooking yesterday. So a quick wipe down so the shine is back.
Before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
My kids taped something to the counter, and since I restocked on Barkeeper's Friend, I'm going to go ahead and use that with a sponge to go ahead and remove all of that grime buildup that I could not get off with just regular cleaner, but it comes off so
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you?
I'm trying the Zep all-purpose cleaner on this black stainless steel refrigerator. Now this Samsung refrigerator isn't like a true stainless steel. It has like a black coating over it, which makes it more of like a shinier appliance, but this worked really well. I have to say I am kind of impressed with the Zep all-purpose cleaner. I do for the most time use like environmentally friendly cleaners, but when I do have to do a deep clean, I use all of the chemicals because I can't get all of that grime out without using chemicals like bleach and like barkeeper's friend. When it is time to do a deeper clean, I am all for it.
Bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy.
Now this bathroom was a hot mess express. If you guys watched my last video, then you know we just got back not too long ago from vacation. And not only have I felt like a bum after we came back from vacation, but I'm also pregnant, so I've just been a little more tired than normal in the second trimester. Plus, my husband uses a ton of hairspray to get himself ready in the morning, and I feel like the hairspray just sticks to everything, and then any little dust sticks to the hairspray. So there's a lot of cleaning to do in this bathroom, and I'm going to do the Zep aesthetic bowl cleaner. I needed a stronger product here in this bathroom because this bathroom tends to have a little more of the hard water stains at the very bottom, and I will say that that Zep bowl cleaner did a really good job at removing those hard water stains that I sometimes have an issue getting rid of.
Laugh out loud. Don't wanna be shy.
There is so much grime, hairspray residue all over these little containers. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash them with a sponge and just get that off. And another thing that I really need to do is buy disposable gloves. That's something that I would normally use if I'm touching bleach. But I'm totally out of disposable gloves, so that is on my list of things to buy. Bathroom was also really cluttered. My daughter got a bunch of like bath bombs and things like that for Christmas, so it's all over like the windowsill, and that stuff has to get put away. Hasn't been put away. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm putting my husband's things away, organizing that so the counters are clear. after cleaning the inside of the toilet, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to bleach the toilet. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes, and I really want to disinfect the toilet and clean it. So first I'm cleaning the main part of the toilet, and then I'm going to go through and clean the outer rim, the floor, anywhere that pee can get. I'm going to go ahead and clean it. And for something like this, where it comes to the toilet, I always use paper towels. I don't use any of the rags. Regardless, if I do use rags in the bathroom, those go into the bleach pile and they get washed and disinfected with bleach in the washer. But anything for the toilet is always paper towels. This Zep Wall product is becoming my literal favorite product that I have purchased. It has made such a breeze in cleaning, and like I said before in my last video, our walls do get grimy. My kids will have dirty hands. I mean, they're small, they're 8 and 6, so it's understandable. And I spend so much time cleaning our walls, and I've used magic erasers. I've tried different cleaning products. This Zep Wall product, it is going to be linked in my Amazon storefront down below. It is such a game changer, guys. It works so, it literally cuts through all the grease and the grime for baseboards, for walls. I totally recommend it. It's like a 15 out of 10. It's become my entirely favorite product. Another huge recommendation that I have, even if you're an adult or if you have small children, is the squatty potties. I'm going to go ahead and bleach mine right now. I'm going to put it back. But the squatty potty is a game changer in the bathroom, and it is such a game changer if you have small kids so their feet aren't dangling when they are using the bathroom. I will link that below as well. And this is the after shot of the bathroom. It just looks so much better.
What's been holding us back now? Let's move closer to a new history. Find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together.
What an absolute mess my daughter's room was. I walked in here, I wanted to pull my hair out, I didn't know where to start, but I did just go ahead and start putting all of her stuffed animals and her toys into her little toy box. All of that stuff was scattered and out. I wanted to clean her makeup vanity. That is something that she uses kind of pretty much every day. I'm putting all of her contact stuff into a container right away and just organizing that so she can find it.
What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history. Find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together.
I did just pick up a new tray at Target, and their dollar section was $5, a clear tray, so she can go ahead and store some of her things in there. She did get some like makeup cases for Christmas and some products that she really wanted, so I'm going to go ahead and put everything on her makeup table. Her closet, for the most part, yeah, it looks kind of messy, so I'm going to go ahead and tidy that up, put everything where it belongs, and get that organized.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time.
The current obsession in our house is bracelet makers. So there are pretty much like little rubber bands and little beads all over the floor from her making bracelets all the time. And I am not picking those up. I am so tired. I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum them up into the vacuum. I don't know if that's any good for my vacuum, but if it's on the floor, then she probably won't get around to picking up herself. And I'm just going to go ahead and trash it.
Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. That it's real, cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah. You know I want him nah. My heart is saying yeah.
Huge pile of clean laundry that I have to go through. I'm gonna go ahead and just organize everything. So there's like a pajama section, a short sleeve section, long sleeve section, shorts section, and long pants section. We did just get back from Florida. That's why we have so many summer things out. And I'm going to go ahead and put all of that away, organize it into her dressers, and finally get all of the laundry out of sight and out of mind.
If you want, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Heart is saying yeah. I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter.
So the before and after is pretty dramatic. And guys, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. I love hearing from everyone, and stay tuned for our next video.